morning class. So today we'll be seeing chapter number 11, perimeter and area. Okay, so part 1. Good morning class. Today we'll be seeing chapter number 11, perimeter and area. This will be the part 1 of the video. Okay, so open mathematics part 2 textbook. Today's date is 26th November 2020. So here we have some basic formulas which you have already studied in your previous classes, so it must be a quick recap. Okay, here we have area of a rectangle as length into breadth. Okay, this is the length, this is the breadth. Okay, the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 times of length into breadth, and area of a square, this is a square where all sides are equal. So here in rectangle opposite sides are equal. So just 1 second, hold on. So we have here rectangle and square. Okay, where rectangle means opposite sides are equal and opposite sides are equal. So here we have a perimeter of square, that is a plus a plus a plus a, that is 4a. Okay, so this is just a recap. You should know all these basic formulas. So today we'll be solving just a minute, hold on. Today we'll be solving some problems from exercise 11.1. so open page number 56 from your textbook. Okay, so here we have question number 1. The length and the breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meters and 300 meters respectively. M means meter. Okay, find its area. So for solutions we have a rectangular land of length of 500 meters and breadth is 300 meters. So write it down here as 300 meters. Okay, 300 meters as breadth. Okay, so this is length and breadth. The area of a rectangular piece of land is L into B, which is equal to 500 into 300. So we'll get this much as the answer. Okay, let me just quickly erase this. So next, moving to the next question, we have the cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land cost 10,000. so they are asking what will be the total cost if 1 meter square of land costs 10,000. We got the answer as how much, 1,50,000 square meters. So for this much of square meters, how much will be the answer? So you need to multiply this what we got in answer, that is the area, into 10,000. so this much rupees it will be costed. Okay, the land. So next question, find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meters. They are asking area and they have given perimeter, so you need to find the sides before finding area, because what is an area of a square park? A square, that is a into a. Okay, here perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side, that is a. So perimeter of a square park is equal to 320. If we put here 320, if you send 4 below, you get 320 by 4. So one side of a square part is 320 divided by 4, that is 80 meters. The area of the square park is equal to a square, which is equal to side square, which is equal to 80 square, which is nothing but 80 into 80, which will get 6,400 square meters. Okay, next question. So this is the area. Okay, next find the breadth of a rectangular plot of a land if its area is 440 meters square and the length is 22 meters. Also find its perimeter. So they're asking to find the perimeter and the breadth. So here they have given area of a rectangular field is equal to length into breadth, which we know the formula is equal to 440 square centimeters. So to find out breadth B, send the length to the denominator, which is 22. So we'll get after cancellation 20 meters. So 11 2s are 22, 11 4s are 40. We'll get next 2 ones are 20. So this will be the answer. So perimeter of the rectangular field is nothing but 2 times of length plus breadth. So 2 times of 20 plus 22, 84 meters. Next, the perimeter of a rectangular sheet is, so they have given the perimeter and the length also they have given. They are asking to find the breadth, also find the area. So first perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeters, which they have given. Length also they have given, so breadth will be how much we need to calculate. So first what is the perimeter formula? 2 times of L plus B, which is 100 centimeters. So 2 into length they have given 35 centimeters plus B. In place of B, keep the B itself. Then multiply, we'll get 70 plus 2B is equal to 100. So send 70 to the RHS. Here we have plus sign, right? So after coming over here, we'll get a negative. So 2B is equal to 30. B is equal to 30 divided by 2. Send this 2 to the denominator, which will get us 15 centimeters. So breadth is 15 centimeters. Then we have area formula is length into breadth. So 35 into 15, which will get 525 square centimeters. So next question, let me see how many questions are there to be solved. So we need to solve 8 questions in this class. Okay, so here we are back on track. So the area of a square park is the same as the of a rectangular park. Means area of a square park and an area of a rectangular park is same. So means a square park is bigger. So if the sides of a square park is 60 meters, so the again side of a square park and the length of a rectangular park. So they are asking to find the breadth of a rectangular park. We need to find B. So area of a square park is equal to area of a rectangular park. So A side is 60 meters. So A square is equal to L into B. Here area of a square park A square into area of a rectangular park. This is length, okay, L into B. So in place of A, that is 60 square, is equal to, in place of L, that is 90 into, keep the B same as it is. 60 square is nothing but 100 is equal to 90. So send the 90 to the denominator, cancel 0 0, so we'll get 40 meters. This is meters, okay. The breadth of a rectangular park is 40 meters. Just hold on. Did I solve question number 4? Yes, I have solved question number 4, and 5 also is done. Now moving to the question number 6. Let me just see the time. Yes, I have. So a wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeters and its breadth is 22 centimeters. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, what will be the measure of each side? Also find which shape encloses more area. So what they are saying is, I'll just draw it quickly over here. So they have given a rectangular, a wire is in the form of rectangle. You need to convert it into a square, okay, a square piece. This is a square, okay. From rectangle to square you need to convert and find the area of both rectangle and a square. So here is the solution. The shape of the wire is rectangle. The perimeter of this rectangle will be 2 into L plus B. Length is 40 and breadth is 22. You get 124 centimeters as the perimeter. If it's reshaped in the form of a square, if you divide this with 4, then only we get total, means this is the perimeter, okay, of a square. Divide by 4, then we'll get a side of a square. So it's a square, area of a square is nothing but side into side, okay. So 31 into 31, which will get 961 square centimeters. The rectangular area is nothing but L into B formula. So 40 into 22 will get 880. So square centimeters, which is more? Square's area is more. Therefore, the area of a square encloses more area than the area of a rectangle, okay. So question number 7. The perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeters. If the breadth of a rectangle is 30 centimeters, find its length. Also find the area of a rectangle. So perimeter they have given, length also we need to find out the length. Breadth of a rectangle is given, so P is equal to length plus breadth, 2 times of length plus breadth. So in the place of perimeter put it, and in the form of B we have 30 and then 2 into L. This is L, not 21. This is 2L, okay. We'll find out L, okay. Next question number 8. A door of length, this is the length 2 meters and the breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. So this is a wall and this is the door. the length of the wall is 4.5 meters, so this is 4.5 meters, and the breadth is 3.6 meters. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall. If the rate of whitewashing the wall is 20 per meter square, so they are asking for painting of the wall in white color, what will be the cost. If 20 per meter square is a cost, okay, 20 rupees per meter square. So we have area of the wall is equal to length into breadth, so this is L, okay, this is L into breadth, length into breadth, okay. Length of the wall is 4.5 and breadth of the wall is 3.6. So area of a rectangle will be 1.62 square meters. The length of the door is 2 meters, here we have 2 meters, okay. Then breadth of the door is 1 meter, here we have 1 meter breadth, okay. In the question also they have given. So area of the door will be 2 into 1, that is 2 square meters. The area of the wall excluding without door. So for door we won't paint, only for the wall will be painted, so we need to subtract the area of the door. Therefore this is the area of wall and this is the area of door. After subtracting we get this much as the answer. So rate of whitewashing of the wall is equal to this, what we get answer 14.20 into 20, we'll get 284 rupees, okay. Thank you very much.